Number 1, Train Eater. This creature is not made by Trevor Henderson. I don't know what it was made by. I don't really care actually. But this creature is known to shapeshift into other trains. This creature will go to places, I don't know, and collect people. Then it'll go as fast as a bullet train, then put acid and kill everyone and eat them. Oh yeah. Number 2, Train Creeper. This creature is known to be on trains, well no duh, and there's not a lot of information about it. Yes, it is made by Trevor Henderson, but there's not a lot of information out of this thing, to be honest with you. Number 3, SCP-052. This SCP is a time-traveling train that's known to time travel. Well, of course, it says in the name. It's a time-traveling train that time travels, and it was known to be in New York. It was made in around the 1990s. That's all I know about it. And also and the object class is Eaglid. I don't know what that means, but okay. Like and subscribe or these boys will beat you up.